Samsung is getting ready to reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 at its Unpacked event on July 26. The company has been attempting to stop all the leaks relating to its upcoming smartphones, but has not had much luck. Even if the broader cover display and a better crease are upgrades that have been left alone, Samsung is likely to raise the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We had anticipated a lower price for the device. The retailer's website includes the pricing of the products they sell, however the prices of the products aren't the only ones that are available. 3 versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 are available: 256, 512, and 1 TB. This is the actual picture of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which appears just like the basic Galaxy Z4 but will feel different in your hands. Anthony, not me, has noticed that the scrolling through crease seems smoother and less bumpy than it did in the prior generation. It appears that this little impact is the result of a redesigned hinge and is not very noteworthy since it appears the same but feels different. It is important to note that while the crease will remain there for many years, it is not a significant concern. A zero-gap hinge and making the smartphone look slimmer when closed are 2 minor improvements that Samsung appears to have prioritized. The changeover to a speedier and more effective Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor and speedy USS 4.0 storage will be among the other internal improvements. The company is promoting Galaxy Unpacked at significant sites across the globe in addition to these online announcements in an effort to increase awareness of it among Samsung customers who follow the news. However, a closer look reveals the significantly altered back cameras with a larger lens protrusion and the LED flash sitting independently. Samsung's upcoming foldable seems to be comparable to the Fold 4 in these images. Another image of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's inner folding display is available, but owing to its potato-like texture it is difficult to tell whether the crease is evident. Based on the images supplied, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 looks to be a test model since it has various identifying labels on the front and rear. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.